Hello, humans. How's it going? How's that?
To find love within. Guess you wonder where I've been. The search to find love within. Guess you wonder where I've been. The search to find love within. Guess you wonder where.
Ooh, hey guys, welcome back to another vlog. How y'all doing? I'm crouched up in the car because 1, I am tired. 2, I have been on the road all morning, but now hubby and I are actually picking up my rental that I'm gonna have for the weekend into next week, because I think in the last vlog I mentioned that we're going to Layla's playoffs. Hoot hoot. Yeah, we're going to her playoffs and we're gonna be gone for like 4 days. Is it? I think. Yeah, kind of. So we're here at Avis picking up the rental. I am so tired. I had a dentist appointment this morning for the kids. Didn't vlog because it was Zane's first dentist appointment and it was a hassle within itself because it's his first time. He's not used to it and I had to hold him because, you know, he's a baby. So that was that. And got the girls their excuses for school, drop him back off, and went home, did some laundry, and now I'm here. I got Layla's uniform ready, her soccer bag. I still need to finish packing for myself because Orlando is going to be in the 60s, but they say it's going to be a little cold too. This one is knocked out after he was having such a fit. He's also teething, so he's giving me a hard time. But he's napping right now. So yeah, and it's been so cold. It's been so cold. It was like, what, yesterday was like 15 degrees and then today it's like 19. I'm surprised it didn't snow. It rarely snows here, but I'm surprised it didn't. But there was a little snowish on the car. Snowish. There was ice on the roads. It's very icy. They always tell us you need to be careful. But yeah, if it snows down, Georgia's gonna close down. The highways are gonna close. The roads are gonna go. Listen, it snowed like I think the first year we moved here, because we moved here winter 6 years ago. So yeah, it snowed 6 years ago. Yeah, and it hasn't snowed. Like, don't get me wrong, we had flurries, but I mean snow where we got, like, you know, snow on the ground, everything was white. Yeah, but we've only had like flurries here and there. Hey, oh god, how long do I have to wait? In here's getting toasty. Just turn that off. But yeah, I'll see you on the next clip. Could you not? This is why I don't let you come in the front seat. Come. Where you gonna take mama? Drive. Where are you driving to? Hmm? Look. He's so grumpy. He's teething. This is the side I don't show you guys, but I decided I'm going to do that anyway. I know, Papa. Mama. right here. He is teething and it's not going so great. Alright. It's okay. It's okay. I know. And I have his little teething tablets, but he doesn't want it. It's okay, Papa. It's okay. Ay, ay, ay. He just wanted to cuddle and snack. That's it. He knows I'm leaving, that's why. He's watching Bluey. Feel better? I know. I know. Yeah.
Okay, so we made a stop. We're at Buc-ee's. I've never been here, so this is gonna be my first experience. Let's go! Say hi, Nora.
Hello.
Okay, so we're going to Buc-ee's. I'm gonna see what the hype's about. I've never been here before. This is our first stop. Go. Do it again. Thank you. Why that look on your face though?
The following day.
It's busy here. Okay. Oh, I've never had that. I don't want nothing sweet. What's this? I don't think I've spoken to y'all one time since we got here. It's just been so busy, so hectic. We just finished the game. I think the last clip you guys saw was us at the game. I am tired. I am hungry. We just want to rest, but we have to go get something to eat. The girls want to go clean up. This vlog is all over the place, but
Bear with me. Bear with me. This is how busy it gets. But yeah.
Hello, humans. How's it going? How's that being mean? They're humans. We're here waiting for some good food.
So we are coming with a force, yeah. Blessings we are reap and we coursing on foot. Oh, we not rise and boast. Yeah, we give thanks that we need it the most. We have to give thanks that we really supposed to be thankful. Blessings all for my life and my thank God for the journey, the earnings, and us for the plus. Yeah, gratitude is a must. Yeah, see blessings fall by my right hand. But I was for the friends that take off with me load. One time did sit up in a class and report then only set the road and me go on with the road. Third form, me say me try a thing, and you know it formed up to be a fire thing. Now up on stage with chronic fire sing, yeah. See me all diggy soon get the higher ring like hello brother. Him say I just shot ya, saw your poster, spectacular photo. Keep it burning, yes that's the motto. If me the butter pass through your shot, we can't fall in a life man. Me have to thank God for the journey, the earnings, I just for the plus. Yeah, gratitude is a must. Yeah, see blessings fall by my right hand. But I do it for the friends we take off. Me load one time, take sit down in a class and we pour then only set the road and we go on with it, go on with it. That's how our blessings upon me. And send me to tell them I'm sorry. That's how our blessings upon me. And that's how I made to give him the love. I'm in delighted. Jano tell me passion ignited. Got the music get me excited. I'm coming like a potion. Blessings all for my life and my thank God for the journey, the earnings, and that's for the plus. Yeah. Gratitude is a must.
The following day.
Okay guys, it's day 2. We're behind. I know we're all over the place, but we're still getting there. Oh god, this is so chaotic. This vlog's all over the place, so bear with me, please.
A lot of boring math later.
Layla, what are you getting?
What you getting, Nora?
I'm getting scallops
Oh,
and baby crab.
okay. Oh, you getting baby crab? What are you getting, Charnay?
I have me some beef and some chicken.
Okay, you getting some crab and some shrimp?
Get some shrimp.
You're not getting the shrimp with the head up?
No, not that bone.
Oh, they got blue crab.
Get things like you know you'll eat everything.
I'm gonna eat it.
Flip the plate up.
Say hi, guys. No, there she goes. Do it, do it, do it, do it.
I'm a chicken, how nice?
If you want, it's up to you, Layla. That part's up to you.
Oh, it cooks fast. Look at that.
It cooks really fast. Yeah, see? It cooks. Just dip it. You can just do it with your chopsticks.
Oh, are y'all in there? Just be gentle.
Just be gentle.
You can put it on your actual spoon. Oh,
Mm-hmm. Can I get a chopstick, please? We just finished eating. Oh my God. The food was so good. We're walking back to the hotel. Oh, look at these two. We're walking back to the hotel. How was the food?
12 out of 10.
Oh God, it's cold. We gotta go. They have no words to describe it. The food was so good. The little clips that you guys saw, it was wonderful. Where are we going? Yeah, but we're gonna walk. We're gonna walk back. It's cold. Why we leave the cold to come in the cold? Why is Orlando so cold? But this was fun. Huh?
Last one's are running. Wait, this way? Oh God!
The following day.
She what? Of course she's gonna pose or something. Yeah, I think she had like one foot. Yeah, she had one foot. Yep, she's gonna pose. Or usually she'll hike up one foot. I'm like, really, child? You do not need like. There you go, P.
Oh.
Okay. Out. Go, B. Go.
It's Monday, the last day. We just played. We lost, as you can see. Rather face, but you know, they came, they conquered, and now we have a 6-hour drive. Because y'all going to school tomorrow. But I might end the vlog here because I've been recording, but I haven't been talking. It's just been so chaotic. And now we're gonna be sitting in the car for how many hours? I just wanna get home to my baby. Zenny Poo, mommy's coming. But yeah, if I don't come back on, I'm just gonna end the vlog here.